Musamseleku sent his people to Makumalo's parents. He wants them to convince Makumalo to tolerate him everything. But now he was shocked. Makumalo's father doesn't want anything to do with him about what he said on season 8 that Makumalo failed, and he humiliated Makumalo on television. That's why Makumalo's father doesn't want anything to do with the Musamseleku. Makumalo's father was always supporting Musamseleku everything. We saw them at Musamseleku's birthday. For all the people, we saw Makumalo's parents. We didn't see Mangwabe's mother, Mayeni's parents. They are not at Musamseleku's birthday. But Makumalo's parents were at there. But her father doesn't want anything to do with the Musamseleku. Musamseleku said Makumalo is a breadwinner. They tolerate Makumalo. What? It's not like that. Musamseleku, he is disrespectful to Makumalo's father. Maybe it's about Makumalo's father worked for Musamseleku. Mangwabe was right that Makumalo's father is someone we respect. How are we going to respect Musamseleku to respect Makumalo's father when he was working for his son-in-law? So there is no need Musamseleku to respect him. That's why Makumalo told her father to stop working for Musamseleku. So Musamseleku was expecting that Makumalo's parents are going to defend him, what, but nothing works. And are those people who told Makumalo to buy a house in Durban because they saw their daughter, she was not happy at that marriage. Some of the things Musamseleku doesn't know that Makumalo was always complaining to her sisters, to her parents about that Musamseleku, you understand? So they say enough is enough. They don't want anything to do with him. That's why he said, yes, they tolerate Makumalo because he's a breadwinner in their family. No, even Makumalo is a breadwinner. Those people are Christians. They can tell you that Makumalo, you are wrong because it's their daughter. It's not about Makumalo is a breadwinner. They saw that Musamseleku, he is so disrespectful even to them, or to them he is very disrespectful even to Makumalo. Especially on season 8, what he did, he's supposed to go to apologize straight, not to send people.